Right, what is going on everyone? My name is Tyrell. Welcome to another video here on Cyber Advent. Before I get into the CTF, I want to say thank you guys for 100 subs. First milestone down. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 real soon. But either way it goes, I'm going to be here for a while. So let's go ahead and let's look at this capture the flag. So in this case, it's literally called capture the flag. So I'm doing this kind of as a continuation of my last video. So if you guys haven't seen that one, go ahead and just check it out. And then we can start looking at this. So with this one, it says, hey, task 1, translation is shifting. Basically like, hey, how can you decode the stuff? Then we have spectrographs, audio frequencies, things of that nature. Steganography, hopefully I said that right. Honestly guys, it's like 3 a.m. and I'm making this video because I was just busy. I was making some stuff for Cyber Advent for like the background just to make things look a little nicer. Yeah, I forgot to make a video for this week, so here I am at like 4 a.m. doing it now. And then last but not least, security through obscurity. So basically, how can we find data inside of a file? So let's go ahead and let's start with task 1. Let's go to my favorite place for decoding stuff. All right, we're just gonna go here. Can you capture the flag? I don't know, can I? Is it the same thing, just not what's his face? I think it is, so I think I can just do, can you capture the flag? This one is decoding leet speak, which is basically just making it harder for people to regularly read. So like maybe you don't notice that just says flag, right? Things of that nature. Can you capture the flag? I got it. This one right here, 01101100. That's binary. If you guys don't know, binary is just how computers see human language or whatever. So in this case, let me do that. I don't know why this one keeps giving me that null. And then we can just do from binary, which this is why I like this tool. So this is Cybersecurity. I kind of just went on past without explaining it. This is a really good place when you guys want to decode stuff, whether it's binary or, let's see, what's this next one? This one looks like base 64. Let's check real quick. Whether it's binary, hex, base 64, base 32, we got it all. We got it all over here, all right? So let's go ahead and okay, yeah. Remove that. And let's give it a good old, hold on, let me remove that too. Good old base 64 clearing. Let's see what it says. Oh no, that's from, that's to when we went from. I might be missing something, so it doesn't look like it's base 64. So in that case, I'm not gonna go and try all the different bases. I'm just going to use this. And it's base 32, look at that. All right, so this is base 32. The next one might be base 64. Let's check. Hopefully I'm right. So this one was base 32. So base 32, like it said, base 32 is super common in CTFs, but it's also, I believe, common in URL encoding. So that's just something to keep in mind. Let's remove this and let's try this next one, which I think is base 64. Let's see, I don't want to use magic. From base 64, let's see what we got. There we go. So each base 64 digit represents exactly 6 bits of data. I did not know that. Thank you, TryHackMe, for teaching me something new. All right, let's put that in there and let's get it out. All right, next. So this one looks like hex, and I see it by like, hey, you see how there's only like 2 characters at a time and then a space? That's usually what hex looks like. That's the best way I can explain it. So let's go ahead and let's clear that out. Let's get that out of here. And let's type in hex, hexadecimal, or base 16. Okay, so now I gotta try it. Do they have base 16? No, they don't. All right, so we're just gonna leave it at hexadecimal. All right, there we go. Based on the 13, I know what this is. Plop this in here. So looking at this doesn't look like anything is actually wrong or like it's been super encoded. It just looks like the letters have been switched around, and I think that they left the 13, but this could be a different number as well. I want to try rot 13, which means like it's been rotated 13 times, yep, or 13 places, same thing. I knew it because I saw the 13. it's fairly simple once you kind of see the pattern. You kind of say, okay, well, this looks like just a word that's just been transcribed or whatever. It's just been used like a different letter. So you can just type that in. You could also, maybe it was like wrote like maybe 52 or something. You can also just use magic, all right? So just throw that in, get rid of this, and it would have told us. Oh no, it didn't. Well, never mind, I'm happy I know. Get that out of here. All right, next. I don't know what this is. So in this case, we're gonna use magic. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it treats me nice. Does not treat me nice at all. But again, especially like right here and right here. In that case, I would say that it's probably a word again. So it's going to be another rote. Okay, so let's try 47 because it's the next one. And it's 47, okay. Let's go me. Proud of myself. All right. I'm happy I didn't go with, wait, what does this one look like? Sometimes simplicity wins, so bow. Next. I had to think about this one for a second. Let's go ahead and let's put this where it needs to be. All right, and let's try magic. And I can't spell magic. Nice. Okay, there we go. Get that over here. Come here, man. Still nothing. Okay. This one doesn't really help too much, but if you notice, it's the dashes and dots. Very reminiscent of something that people used to do back in the day. They may not do it now, but they did it back in the day, especially during war, and that's Morse code. So if you type in from Morse code, I can't talk, from Morse code, you get telecommunication and coding. You can tell I'm tired, but it doesn't matter because I'm here to do this. All right, so next. It looks like we have another hexadecimal. I'm not too sure. Actually, no, because it has three digits, but they're all numbers. In this case, okay, I think all the numbers are different. Okay. So since they're all numbers, we're just going to do from decimal, unpack this, BCD. All right. They didn't have anything but numbers. I said, okay, let's try the only one that doesn't also have numbers or that wouldn't have numbers. And that's how I got decimal. Because I'm dealing with all numbers. Now we have this one right here, which looks pretty complicated. Oh, it's still going. Okay, so we got a really long one here. Come on. There we go. All right, and just based on the fact that it has the equal sign, the first thing that pops in my head is base 64. So we're going to run base 64 off the RISI. Let me see how to spell it. Yes. In this case, we're gonna do magic. Let's see what magic got for us. Talk to me nice, magic. Talk to me nonsense. I need you right now. So they said from base 85 and then from hex dump. We're going to do base 85. Let's do, oh wait, these numbers are still here. I don't know about this one, guys. Let's do base 64 again. So let's do magic. Oh wait, I got the wrong one. I checked the wrong one. All right, let's try that one. Intensive mode, okay. I don't know about that one. And I gotta remove this piece right here. Okay, the ending didn't change. So we're gonna go back to magic. We're going to make it intense. Gotta make it, it has to be intense. And now this one's completely different. So let's also just take it off and see if it changed again. It did, okay, so now we have a binary. That all looks the same. Okay, I see the difference right here. All right, let's go with the first one. And what we're going to do is just go from binary. Let's remove this one, and we're gonna just go back again, do some magic, see what we got. Let's try the second one here, and we can just do from binary, same thing, okay. So in that case, you might just have to clean this one up. I'm not too sure. I don't know. Might have to just check. Give me a second. Let me research this one. This one's kind of tough. I didn't think about doing rote 47. It should have came to me, but it didn't. But I can do the rest. So yeah, this one, guys, this one's on me. This one's on me. All right, there we go. So you're supposed to do rotation 47. This would give you a clearer number or a clearer idea of what you need to do now. And then from there, you get it. Let's make it a bit trickier. So boom, we are done. We're done with step one. So let's go ahead and let's move over to step two. I already have the file downloaded. And no, wait, wrong place. Visual. All right, so you gotta go to Sonic Visualizer. If you don't have it, download it. It will be in the description if you want to do this CTF. Let me go ahead and see here. Gonna have to grab this one. We're gonna throw that in here, and then layer. Add this one, and it's supposed to say something. We scroll in a little bit. It says super secret message, so we can just type that in. Yep. All right, there we go. So that one's done. Super simple. Next, let's go ahead and let's do this one for the file, or hiding a file within another file, a message or image or video. We're gonna do that now. So what you wanna do, you can go to this website here. It will be in the description. I'm gonna choose a file. Don't worry about that stuff. And we're going to grab this one. Cool. And then boom. It'll do it for you. Love to see it. There we go. And next, so this one we are going to need the attack box because I don't have Linux. I don't have a VM for Linux on this computer, but I don't really need it, so it doesn't really matter. So let this one load. All right, it's gonna take some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for it to load, and when it comes up, you guys will see me again. All right, so we're back in here. Let's go, or I guess we're just in here. This is the first time. So the reason why I wanted to use the attack box is because it has Linux, and let's go ahead and copy this, and let's let that load. So the thought process is, since I don't have the VM hosted on this computer, because this is honestly my gaming computer, I'm not supposed to have some of the stuff that I have on here, but it doesn't really matter. Go ahead and let's go to this website if it will let me. Come on, work with me here. But yeah, so I might end up downloading VMware on this machine for another video when I showcase like a good way to get into IT if you're completely brand new, wanting to hop in, and you just don't know like how, like say you're trying to do help desk. I have an idea. This is what I did to get in help desk, and it worked out, seeing as I am now in cybersecurity like I want it to be. But anyway, back to the VM stuff. That will be a entirely separate video. It will probably be coming out in the next 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4. Yeah, I have a few videos behind this one that are in front of that virtual machine one. This is not loading. Kind of want, because the thing is, you're going to want to take this file, right? Yeah, this one. So you'll take this file and you can just type in cat. Oh, sorry, my bad. You do cat meme dot, I think it's a PNG, right? And then you would do that, and it should list the contents within the file. And then from there, if you want to just see the strings, you can type in streams, that meme, PNG, and then it will give you all the strings inside of that file. The issue is, which is what it's asking for. So basically it's asking, downloading it inside the file. What is the first file name and extension, right? So you can just pull that from doing cat, and then from there, you would get inside the archive and inspect the file carefully, find the hidden text, which would be how you use strings. And I read through this before I did this one, so I didn't blind go through this one like I do the other ones. So I already knew the answers for all these for the most part, except for that last one for the encoding or decoding. Come on, man. So it looks like it's not working for me. I don't have the Linux to Windows either. So this is what I have on my computer, and it allows me to run a few Linux commands, and that's how I can run cat on my standing desk. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot more content in the future. So with that being said, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.